In 𝗂𝗽𝗱 Healthcare Academy, we have pre-recorded tutorial videos of the quantum resonance magnetic analyzer device that has been uploaded on our website as an online masterclass course. Our QRMA device online masterclass course is currently the richest exhaustive training content that you will find on the internet today. It comprises of about 200 video clips for over 30 reports, explaining the anatomy and physiology of the various organs in the human body, with detailed diagrams to help our students to understand and own this knowledge with confidence to consult in their daily practice. Interpretation of test results, symptoms of abnormal organs, practical steps on how to detect common diseases with the QRMA device, recommended lifestyle, herbs and supplements are the main contents that are obtainable from our QRMA device training videos. It is a study at your pace training package, and every subscriber enjoys the good privilege of a lifetime coaching from Dr. Onyedika after subscribing. If you operate the NLS device, you will also need this training to enhance your knowledge of human anatomy and physiology. 𝗂𝗽𝗱 Healthcare Academy has so far built a credible record of training about 1,000 subscribers in 29 countries and still counting. You can be one of them today. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now.